I'm Kenny Lowry, and today we're going to take a look at one of our reflection bowls, the square one. This is the large square reflection fountain. I'd like to show these at night because the lighting effect on these bowls is really neat. I think all the jars benefit, or all the fountains benefit from lighting greatly, and you can check out on the info page, you'll see lighting videos on there for the boulders and the jars. And the bowls being low, that's one of the neat things about it. I think being low, you can see down in it. I would say these fountains need to go near a sitting area. Not You could put them out in the garden, but I think really near an area where you can take advantage of being able to see down in there. That reflective motion, you're probably catching that off of the back of this tree here. That lighting of that plume there catches all that motion, and it reflects, and it kind of looks like fire. Although we do have fire going over here in one of our boulder fire pits over here. So I'll show you that toward the end of the video, and I'll get it close on here. But that lighting lights up that plume of water. And you might check out elsewhere on the website. We have a video about the frothy head, which will greatly increase the whiteness of the plume of water there. And when you put a light in that at night, it'll be even more spectacular than it is without the frothy head. But it is really neat. That light kind of transfers all the way up to the plume of the water. And then on the uplighting on the side, kind of catching that reflective motion under there too. Right now I'll grab the camera and show you close. One of the things you can do with these bowls too, you can turn that water off and put floating candles, things like that in there. And these bowls have a really neat effect with the lighting. And the video kind of shows the light a little more harsh. It is actually a lot softer in person. You can see that plume of water in that wide open bowl there, just really neat. I think you can do some neat things in there too. Maybe some kind of colored glass inside of there, seashells, anything inside of there to kind of bring interest to it at night, because that whole bowl lights up. So anything you put down in that bowl is going to show up inside of that bowl. So it's really neat effect. You can see on the sides there what it does for it. It's just really a really neat looking fountain. Right now I'll pan over and so you can see the fire. This is one of our boulder fire pits.